Okay, another half rack of my best of the best, just putting them away before the house gets refurbished. Just gonna go through them right quick. Tram Titan prototype with a gold cover. DAC 10, my 20 position switch box. Polytronics Poly Pro, pretty rare high performance radio. PAL 69X, we like that because it's got the built-in PAL VFO. Somebody asking, I don't know, what radio or chassis is that inside this that they use? I don't know. Somebody knows, let me know. Sonar FS2340 high performance radio. To me, one of the best tube CB radios made. AM only though. We like those a lot. They talk, they receive, good radios. Upside down Shakespeare 740. I think one of the best of the Japanese clone type radios. Courier Centurion 40D. One of the best receiving transistor radios made, I think. Real mellow, good smooth receiving radio. Of course, you got to have a Browning Mark III. This is got a non-factory case and got the 40 channel LED somebody put in the transmitter. Just one of my favorite radios of all time. These are my keepers, just showing, not selling. And then the Regency Imperial 2 with the little green stripe. The Imperial 1 and Imperial 2, they got SSB. The 2, they added a noise limiter, I believe, if I remember right on it. That's the only difference between the Imperial 1 and the 2. And the green stripe. It has basically enhanced AM. It's got a version of not double sideband with no carrier, but it's got reduced carrier, enhanced sideband AM transmit on it. So that's what makes it one of my all-time favorite radios. So that's about it on this rack. Just a few amplifier projects underneath, but again, right now we dealing with the house and tearing the house apart, starting on the refurb and just getting radios and radio equipment out the way, trying to get sick again, me and my health. Anyway, that's about it for this one. Bye.